YouTube, y'all make sure y'all come check out AG Born Jamaican, where we travel life together. Whether you like gardening, traveling, or just going on an experience, this is the channel for you.
Alright guys, winter time, it's getting cold. This is habanero pepper. Tree's full. Bring it inside, pot it up and bring it inside. Full of pepper. This right here is another one. This is about two and a half years old. Back here I have the soursop tree. If you remember the soursop tree from last year. Guineps, I'm trying to do some guineps. They're just coming up, so if you remember this is my pimento tree. You see, most of the leaves are gone. They're getting fresh leaves down here. Because when I do my jerk sauce, I use my pimento leaves. Banana, I'm gonna try and plant again outside. I did it one time, they didn't come. But I noticed people in Georgia, they do plant banana and they do grow. They die down in the winter time and come back. June plum. All the leaves drop off since I brought it in, but it's getting fresh growth, if you can see. But I'm watching it. They bear 2 times a year. Pine. If you remember this, pineapple. If you remember this from last year, yes, it's growing. Over here, something new, ginger. Brought the ginger in. This over here is the Bombay mango tree. Back there, this big one is the East Indian mango tree. And these are grafted mango trees. Back here, our apple tree. I don't remember if you've seen this one last year. Over here is the Julie mango tree. It go on, but I'll see what's going on. If you guys remember this from last year, I put it in a bigger pot. My aloe. Okay, back here, yes, the avocado tree that we plant from seed. It's coming along, getting big. This year, right here, I have the Carolina Reaper pepper. I brought it inside because I don't want to lose this pepper tree. And the seeds, you know, I have some seeds I'm gonna replant, but this one did real good this year. Back here is another pepper tree. This is about 3 years old. This one. If you can look here, this is a ghost pepper tree. Yes, that's the ghost pepper. Back there is the mangoes I planted from scratch. Right there. Ask me the name, I don't know. Don't remember. And back here is the famous jackfruit tree. So all this stuff I have to bring inside because I don't want to lose them with the cold. See? This tree is filled with pepper. So I can have pepper all year round. This year, I didn't use the 100-watt bulbs. These are what you call grow bulbs. These are what they look like, the LED warm white. They grow like, that's what they look like. You can use them for tomatoes, all different type of fruits and vegetables. I brought these in. If you guys remember the name, just leave it in the comment. Because I don't remember the name of these. But they run. I like them. They're about 2 years old. Alright. And this is the end of this video. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, where I just wanted to show you my little garden that I'm trying to save and trying to grow stuff that they said not supposed to be grown in my area, but I'm growing them. Thanks again. Catch you guys later.
What's up, YouTube, Facebook? Y'all know me, it's the Smoking Bear. Like and subscribe to my man, AG Born Jamaican, the man with the sauce, cause he the boss. The Juki Jam sauce, baby. Get you some if you ain't got you none. So come on, like and subscribe. Do it. I'm the Smoking Bear, and it is endorsed by me and my smoker. Yeah, damn, do it.